Hello, welcome to Mr. Brandt's 5th grade everyday math review. This page will have lessons from the 4th edition of Everyday Math for 5th grade, in addition to some other ones. For each of the playlists, there are or will be videos for each lesson, and it might not show up on the playlist, so you just have to click on each individual playlist. Some of the units have more lessons that will show up that YouTube will allow. Each video has a review of, basically a review for the home link. So it's got some review problems for the top part of the home link, and then it also has a few problems for examples for the practice part on there. These lessons are not in any way meant to replace classroom teaching. It's more as a review. It can be helpful if students are absent for a day, or just if they need some help on their homework that night. It's also good for parents to watch and see how we're doing our math. And then these are not edited, so you might find some mistakes. If you do, you can put a comment in, and I'll try to change it. I hope all these videos are helpful for you, and feel free to put comments in, and I will respond or get back to them as soon as I can. Thanks.